Hello guys, today we are going to play a new edition of True or False quiz from videoquizhero.com. This quiz contains total 30 questions. So let's begin. Paris is the capital of France. Answer true. Roger Moore was the first actor to play James Bond. Answer false. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Answer true. The sun revolves around the earth. Answer false. Bananas are berries. Answer true. The Great Wall of China can be seen from the moon. Answer false. Bats are birds. Answer false. The singer wore a dress made out of raw beef to the MTV Video Music Awards. Answer true. Your fingernails and toenails keep growing after you have expired. Answer false. Chocolate is bad for dogs. Answer true. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Answer false. Real silk is made by caterpillars. Answer true. Napoleon Bonaparte wasn't actually short for his time. Answer true. No furry creatures lay eggs. Answer false. There were theories claiming that the world would end on 12 December 2012. Answer false. Earth only has one ocean. Answer true. There are more sheep than there are humans in New Zealand. Answer true. Michael Jackson was married to Elvis Presley's daughter. Answer true. Mickey Mouse was the first animated character in the movie history. Answer false. Japan has left-hand traffic. Answer true. Christopher Columbus proved that the earth was round. Answer false. Sink drain in different directions in the northern and southern hemispheres. Answer false. Answer true. Albert Einstein failed at math classes. Answer false, but he failed his first university exam. Queen Elizabeth II and Marilyn Monroe was born in same year. Answer true, but they were both born in 1926. This young woman is the daughter of an opera singer. Answer: true, and her grandfather was the voice of a cartoon character. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Answer: false. He just developed the first practical one. A blue whale's blood vessels are wide enough for a human to swim through. Answer: true, and their heart is the size of a car. Sherlock Holmes was a real person. Answer: false, but the character was inspired by Joseph Bell, a surgeon with similar skills. Gravity is the strongest fundamental force. Answer: false. It's actually the weakest one. So now it's your turn to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, take care, and bye bye.